Hello guys, this video is going to be some trade recaps on gold, previous past days. So let's begin. First zone I was looking for, but is demand area. We have proper inducement above it, but we didn't broke this structure yet. So I wanted to be extremely careful on this zone. What happened here? Here, let's move to 15 minutes. Show you. There actually was some good demand area. Why this demand area is good? We have proper inducement above it, we have proper demand area, and we can trade here. But I actually missed this. Next opportunity we entered here. We got some rejection, we closed markets around this level, and then price didn't go in our favor. So the next zone I shared with my guys on Discord is demand area here. As demand area, we always mark a last bearish candle, but this last bearish candle is mitigated. This full candle body is covered, so we can place our zone on the second candle, which is not mitigated, as you can see. So we have proper inducement above it. We have proper inducement, price reacted fine, and we can go long here. I actually shared this momentum, and it's a nice trade. This is like 300 pips. So what happened next? Go to 15 minutes, so I can show you how I take in lower time frame entries. So when price have so much bullish momentum, you must look only for buy positions. You can see down here there is no selling candles. So after price probably structure here, where was the last selling? Where was the last selling? It was this area here. So this whole area I will look for lower time frame entries. So what happened once price hit in this zone? Once price hit in this zone, I want to go on lower time frames, right? What I spotted here? Here I spotted that this is the possible buy side liquidity zone. I think this is a buy side liquidity zone because this area has multiple touches. And what most of the traders do, they drop this and they want to enter here. As you can see, they got little rejection, but instantly after that, they're stopped out with a massive momentum. Look at this. So this happened when the news are used the news, and you can see how many traders lost their capital here. So we don't want to do that. What we want to do? We want to buy here. Once we know that this is a possible buy side liquidity and we have our area of interest, we can look for buy positions. So how we look for buy positions? First thing what we need to see is taking sell side liquidity for early buyers. As you can see, again, zone with multiple touches. Zone with multiple touches is liquidated. Right, let's move this for better view. So let's move to even lower time frame now. What happened here? Once we have this liquidity area here, so this is liquidity area, price taking the sell side liquidity. And this is our signs that we can find low time frame entries. Why? Because we know that early buyers are stopped out. Much stop loss are below this level because this is the zone with multiple touches. They think, oh, triple top, triple bottom, whatever. And this was our entry area. Why I wanted to trade here? Because we have proper inducement here. Alright, we have proper inducement here. And we have imbalance just above that zone. Imbalance and inducement means high probability area. Also, we had change of character. We had change of character here. After this change of character, this last selling here, it is a buy candle, but in reality, this is the last selling, because this was the last selling and taking this liquidity, and then price made change of character here, right? So I actually didn't enter this trade. Why? Because I made a mistake. I mean, it's not a mistake, it's improved risk to reward ratio. So I wanted to buy here on 50% of the zone, and I actually target this previous highest point on the 50-minute chart, and this area was more partial level. Of course, stop loss was just below it. And what happened next? Price didn't mitigate my zone and hit the target, but it's alright. Some of the members actually taking this trade, and I'm not sad because I missed this. I know my analysis is right. I know I was not liquidity like traders here or traders here. So let's move to another pair so I can show you how I take in my entries. Okay, now let's move to LDUSD. So I take in my entry on the 15-minute time frame. But before we take entry at 15-minute time frame, we must check high time frames like 1 hour to 4 hour. So sometimes when price just take the inducement, cover the little imbalance, as you can see here, price reverse. So let's see what happened there. Let's move to 15-minute. Price tapped into our inducement level, which is here. As you can see, this is our inducement level. We must look for the buy side liquidity. So in the sell scenarios, we must look for the buy side liquidities, and in the buy scenarios, we must look for the sell side liquidities. So this was the buy side liquidity. We can see that these highs are actually relatively equals. So what the other traders think? They think this is a double top, and they enter the sell here after this rejection, and they place stop loss just above their double tops or whatever. But in reality, that don't working. How I know this buy side liquidity was right? Because after that, price reacted this demand area, supply area, sorry, and fell down. And this validate our buy side liquidity. But I didn't want to enter here because is risk. Price could reverse, taking this inducement, reverse, and hit this 4-hour supply area. But after price reacted like this, broke many structures there, I wanted to go short because this big momentum have imbalance on the higher time frame and also on this time frame. You can see how many imbalances here. It's actually covered with this. But let me show you how I take in the entries there. The zone I was looking for was this area here. this area here. Why I look this area? Because we have some inducement, we have some liquidity levels here below that zone, so price will sometimes just stop it, take this liquidity and continue to push down. But you can see that here price actually taking this liquidity, and that was the mistake. But second zone, both of these zones I shared on Discord as well. I marked it like this whole area here. This whole area here. You can see just at the beginning of this candle, I mark this whole area right here. And why this zone played out better? Because we have imbalance there. We have imbalance, and this act like inducement. This actually like inducement. So the first entry was a stop loss hit, obviously. As you can see, target was this area down there, and this was a stop loss hit, but the second area gave the sniper entry, and hit the full target of I think that was 13%, but here is the 14, and that's alright. I closed this trade fully on 10%, like here. I'm very satisfied with 10%, it's always my weekly goal, and that's how we taken our entry on AUD USD. So trading is not just one factor, one time frame. You can see how many factors I need to know to enter the trade. I need 4-hour time frame, I need minute buy side liquidity, I need proper zone with the inducement and imbalance, and then you can win, guys. Then you can win. You can just enter the chart and be there for like 2 minutes and win the trades. Of course, market will sometimes not give us a valid entry, but that's just part of the game. And that's all for this video, guys. Here you can see some benefits of our Discord server. So first, chatting with other members. Second, channel for members analysis, where you can get many ideas for your trading, and you can also share your own ideas. A channel specially for my analysis. All of these trades I showed you, I shared in that channel. Smart Money Concept Education channel, where all the education, PDF and videos are posted. So there is PDF, education and videos. There is 15 videos for now, up to 40 minutes, and there will be more. Of course, I recorded like in 1 week, 2 weeks, it depends on the situation, but I ask my members to tell me the topics of the new video, and then I explain them everything what they didn't understand. And of course, a question channel where you can ask me personally anything you want. So that's it, guys. If you want to join our Discord server, you're welcome. But if you want only just a copy analysis, then our group it's not for you, because our group is for education purposes. We all trade together, we share opinions and analysis together, and we are a community. Stay safe, guys, and see you in the next recap videos.